Ipagpapatuloy ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pagbibigay ng libreng tertiary education sa mga kabataan sa lahat ng state colleges at universities sa bansa. Ayon sa Pangulo, naglaan ang pamahalaan ng 134 billion pesos ngayong taon para sa state colleges at universities upang maraming mga estudyante ang makinabang sa libreng edukasyon. Dagdag nito, marami pa anyang dapat gawin upang mapataas ang kalidad ng edukasyon sa Pilipinas.
The battle to win the future is waged in today's schools, where we should arm our young men and women with the right skills to not only survive, but to thrive in a rapidly changing world that does not wait for anyone. Times Higher Education 2024 Asia University Rankings, unfortunately, no Philippine university has reached top 100, with the country's top schools either dropping or maintaining their rankings. This just goes to show that much work is still to be done. We must pursue a comprehensive and all-encompassing strategy that will turn this trend around.